The navigation menu here on the left edge of the screen shows the ShareVault pages available to an administrator. Files in ShareVault are organized into a hierarchical tag structure. You can think of tags as folders, except that they're more flexible because a file can be tagged with multiple tags. To create tags directly, click the Tag menu and select Add Tags. Then just start typing your tags, hitting Return each time. As you can see, it's easy to rapidly type in your tag structure. If you already have an index in an Excel file, you can create your tags even more easily by importing it using Copy-Paste. Simply select the cells containing your hierarchical index in Excel and copy. Then, on the ShareVault Documents page, create a new tag and paste the copied index. In just a few seconds, you've imported the hierarchy. To upload files from your computer, you can click the green Upload button on the Documents page and drag files from your desktop to the drop zone. Or you can skip the Upload button and instead just drop your folders directly onto a tag where you want to upload the folders and files. As you can see, tags are created from the folders that you've dropped. You can monitor the upload progress by keeping an eye on this progress indicator here at the top, and here you can see the progress of each file as it's being uploaded. Once you're happy with everything, click the Finish button. The new tags are now shown in normal black text instead of green, and your uploaded files are shown here in the file list. It might take several minutes for ShareVault to convert the files to PDF and to generate the thumbnails. Once conversion is complete, your files are ready for viewing by users with appropriate permissions. With the optional ShareVault connectors, you can connect ShareVault with a variety of other web applications in ways that will make you more productive. To add a new connector, click Add and select from our available connectors. Then click the Login button. You are granting ShareVault access to your account in order to create the connector. Check the Enable Uploading checkbox to allow uploading from the connector. Check the Enable Sync checkbox to enable automatic one-way syncing or specific folder via the connector to ShareVault. Now that we've enabled uploading from My Connector, let's switch over to the Documents page to see how it works. You'll see a small menu button to the right of the Upload button, and if I click it, there's now an option to upload from My Connector. Like the instructions say, I can click Add to pick files and/or folders that I want. I can pick what I want to upload. Click Add, and then continue on to the upload normally. Now let's go back to the Connector's Admin Page Sync and check the Enable Sync checkbox, which enables a one-way sync into ShareVault so that when files or folders are added, modified, or deleted, ShareVault will be updated automatically. Click Configure Sync to select the folders that you want to sync into ShareVault. Once you have picked the folders that you want to sync, click Save. Once you have created the connector and configured synchronization, have a look at the Documents page. Here you can see tags with the same names as the synced source folders. On the Admin Policies page, you'll see a list of document security policies. Select a policy to see its security attributes here on the right. Security attributes define what rights a user has with a document. Can the user save or print a file? Should watermarks be applied? Can a user copy and paste text? Should the user's right to open the file expire on a specific date and time? You can create customized policies for each of the different levels of security that you want for the documents that your end users will be accessing. Use this menu to select if and how the user can save the document. Secure Save makes it so that the user can save the document as an encrypted PDF so that you remain in control of the document. Even if the user downloads the file, you still retain the ability to retroactively revoke the user's ability to open the file. Disable Save removes the user's ability to download the file altogether. You can also choose to allow the user to download an unencrypted PDF version of the document, or to save the document in its original file format. Use this menu here to select the user's ability to print. The first choice blocks the user's ability to print altogether. Use this menu here to check your watermark configuration and make any changes that you want. You can preview your watermark like this. Navigate to the Users and Groups page. Create a group. Set up tag permissions and policies. Check the checkbox next to the tag to grant permission for the group to access the tag. If you want to choose a policy other than the default for certain tags, then you can do that too. Then create users for each group. You can enter one user at a time if you want, but if you have more than a few users, you'll want to select multiple users here, which allows you to add a number of users at once. You can just paste your users' email addresses here. Just drag and drop like this to add users to the appropriate groups. To give users administrative rights, you can drag them to the administrators group. The Q&A page is a secure and centralized place where you can answer questions asked by end users about the contents of your ShareVault. As your end users review your documents, you can monitor their activity on the Reports page. The Activity Summary page provides high-level information regarding the activities of each user group within your ShareVault, and the Activity List provides a detailed audit trail that you can easily query. Let's go back to the Admin Connectors page once again to show how to use connectors to implement an e-signature workflow using the DocuSign connector. Let's add a DocuSign connector and log in to DocuSign. Check this checkbox to enable Send to DocuSign. This will enable sending documents from ShareVault into a DocuSign e-signature workflow, moving the signed document back into ShareVault after the workflow is complete. Check here to delete the signed document from DocuSign after completion of the e-signature workflow. Once that's done, we can go to the Documents page to see how it works. I can now right-click on a file, and the Send to Document menu appears. Clicking that opens the document in DocuSign, where you can create your e-signature workflow. You can use any of DocuSign's features here, including form templates. Next, each of the document signers will apply their e-signature to the document. The navigation menu on the left edge of the screen shows the ShareVault pages available to an end user. On the Help page, you'll find simple, straightforward guidance, organized by topics that cover each of ShareVault's functions. The Documents page is where you can browse, search, and view documents. Click a tag to list only the files for that tag. Check the checkboxes to list files for multiple tags. To view all of the available documents, check All Categories at the top. And you can use the Search feature to instantly find files that contain the keywords that you enter. Simply click a document to open it for viewing. Click the File List tab here on the left to return to the file list, where you can open more documents. You can switch between open documents using the document tabs. We recommend that you click the ShareVault Reader icon here. ShareVault Reader offers faster document scrolling, so we would recommend that you choose it as your default viewer. In addition, if the document that you are opening is a protected Excel spreadsheet, then the viewing experience in ShareVault Reader is very much like Excel, which can greatly improve the user experience of reviewing spreadsheets. On each file in the file list, there are two icons that indicate whether you have rights to save or print. You might have the right to save the original file, just the PDF, or just the SVPDF, which is an encrypted PDF file that can only be opened by the ShareVault Reader app. You can select multiple files, and if you have the rights, you can batch download or batch print the selected files using this menu at the top. You can also print the ShareVault index or export it to Excel. If you have the right to upload files, you'll see the green Upload button here.